Hey, it's Kate, and this is my daily exfoliating wash. I created ExfoliKate Cleanser here in the clinic for several reasons. I wanted a light exfoliation daily, but also really deep cleansing that pore, getting rid of all that makeup in one product. So ExfoliKate Cleanser has exfoliation properties in it. It has papaya, pineapple, and pumpkin enzymes that actually dissolve that dead layer of skin to help clear any kind of buildup. And it also has lactic acid and glycolic acid to really help exfoliate the skin on a daily basis. So ExfoliKate Cleanser is gentle enough to use morning and night. You scrub around for about 30 seconds and rinse, and voila. So it's so simple. It's a cleanser. You use it morning and night, and it just works.